made it to Ikea and we're here. What are we here for? You want to say it?
Yeah. For barbies of my Barbie.
We actually had this week off. We didn't have to go to New York this week. Instead, I'm just doing a bunch of like spring cleaning, organizing, stuff like that. Something that I've been having a hard time organizing is Abby's Barbie stuff because everything is so small. Right now, it's just a whole bunch of little teeny tiny things in like big bins and
big stuff.
There's a lot of big stuff too. Yeah. But the tiny stuff is what's hard to organize because there's just so much of it. Abby likes to organize. She likes to have things in categories and things. And right now, all of her like small Barbie stuff.
I do.
All of her small stuff. We're gonna have a lot to organize tonight. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Anytime that Ab and I are going out, I typically like to give her the choice between using her crutches or her wheelchair, depending on where we are and what we're doing. For this specific circumstance, I definitely would encourage Abby to use her wheelchair just because there's so much walking to do. It's always her option what she uses, and then if she ends up getting tired because of it, like she knows her body better than I know her body. So I want her to like advocate for herself and tell me what she feels most comfortable using. So Ab, would you like to use your wheelchair or your crutches? Your crutches? No, it's a really long walk in here, so you might get tired. Is that okay?
It's okay. I always run fast.
You always run fast?
Yeah.
I do always bring the wheelchair just in case because I want to make sure that she knows that she can use that if she ever prefers to, but typically you prefer to use your crutches, right? Do you like your wheelchair though?
I like my crutches and my wheelchair of motor.
You want your wheelchair to have a remote control?
And I traffic around.
Yeah, Abby's been advocating lately that she wants an electric wheelchair. She has a few friends with an electric wheelchair. Her favorite character on her favorite TV show has an electric wheelchair. And so that's definitely something that we are beginning to think about and work on. Maybe getting her electric wheelchair. Would you like that? Yeah, that would be perfect for here. Perfect.
Ikea electric wheelchair.
No, Ikea doesn't have electric wheelchairs.
The audio on these clips did not turn out good, but I got these pillowcase covers, this blanket to add a little bit of color to the room. I also got this Lego box for Liam. He loves Legos. I got another pack of silverware, and I love that it has little spoons and little forks.
Abby got a trash can for her room. She really wanted one. She picked out the black one.
Cookie wrapper, guys. I ate cookie. Shiny wrapper, guys. I ate shiny.
I did it right. All right, Ab, what do you think of your room? Do you want to come here for a second? All right, so Abby's room is done again, but I think that this Barbie solution is so much better. It was definitely weird building it. You basically just bent everything to make it go together, which is odd. It works really well, and I think it's perfect. It's the perfect little small drawers. You're welcome. Did you like organizing all your stuff? Yeah, she had so much fun like picking everything out and putting it into categories and putting it in the drawers. She's like also really good at keeping up with stuff. Like if she knows where it's supposed to go, she always puts it back where it's supposed to go. You're just the best girl.
Best. Mom. Oh.
I love you so much. Oh my gosh. Also, Ab, guess what?
Right.
You got confirmed for Target for next week. I got the email that you were confirmed, so we will definitely be back shooting with Target next week. So exciting. So I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in our next vlog, right?
But